HVAC penetrations and ductwork are prime pathways for pests, so coordinating pest prevention during HVAC installation in new home construction is essential. Begin by planning pest control into the HVAC schedule from the start, sharing floor plans and penetration locations with your pest control partner so treatments and physical barriers are timed with rough mechanical work. Seal duct penetrations at the framing stage using fire and pest-rated sealants applied around all sleeves and chase openings, ensuring a continuous barrier where ducts pass through exterior walls, floors, and the attic. Install screened intakes on all exterior fresh air inlets and ensure screens are secured with corrosion-resistant fasteners and backed by a fine mesh of no larger than 1/8 inch to stop common insects and small rodents. Where ducts terminate at exterior vents, fit metal boots or collars secured to the structure and caulked so foam or cloth boots are not the primary defense. During attic work, maintain slight negative pressure by exhausting through a temporary duct to the outside, which reduces the influx of insects and airborne debris into the attic space while installers move in and out. After the system is complete, perform a detailed inspection with a flashlight and a 75-watt equivalent headlamp. Pressurize the system briefly with the air handler and check for leaks, then reseal any gaps and install foam gasket covers over access panels and plenums to close remaining openings. The three most common mistakes are sealing only after drywall or finishes are installed, relying on flexible cloth or foil boots at exterior terminations, and treating pests with chemicals but not addressing physical entry points. Waiting to seal until after finishes lets pests enter during construction and creates multiple small gaps that are hard to locate later, so seal at rough framing and verify again after finish work. Using non-metal boots or unsecured screens at exterior vents will degrade quickly and allow rats and raccoons to exploit the soft material, so install metal collars and reinforce with mastic and screws. Applying pesticides without sealing penetrations gives only temporary relief because pests will return through the same openings, so combine targeted treatments around entries with thorough physical sealing and ongoing inspection. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like this, and our site helps homeowners find local contractors who specialize in new construction, HVAC, and pest prevention. We also help contractors find work and share best practices through our active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips and timeline coordination strategies.